That's gonna look good. Glued and screwed down. It's got like 2 or 3 screws per shingle, and they're glued to each other. It's Florida. Challenge I'm having now, I was able to get these cedar shakes to lay down, push them in, snap a line, screw them down, and they're able to curve. Now my curve goes the other way. So the curve, so they're sticking out. I had to screw them in. Now they curve back this way. So I'm gonna try to clamp a 2x4 up there because they're sticking up right now. And they're too thin to screw, and I'm gonna nail them to or glue them to a membrane. That's weird. So I'm gonna try to clamp them back for the weekend. Maybe I'll hose them down or something like that, and then put the last row on. I don't even know what kind of cap to use, like ridge cap. I don't know if I make one out of cedar. I don't really know. YouTube University. I'll have to figure out what to do up there. Whatever. Look at that's the siding. All this over here, it's a bunch of like rescue cedar that we milled today. So that's gonna be our siding, is gonna be live edge cedar. Oh.